Haru?
Nandito.
Mickey.
Who is that?
Pooh.
Si?
Pooh.
Who and? Sino, Haru?
Hindi.
Sabihin mo dito. Who are you painting?
Pooh.
Piglet.
Piglet. Pooh and Piglet.
Ay, hindi nagaya ni Haru. Who and Piglet. Ay, may malaking piglet. Joke. Ito ang small piglet. Smile naman yung piglet.
Daw ko Piglet. Haru.
What?
Haru.
Akala ko, I thought you are piglet eh. Sorry.
Not piglet.
Ito pala si piglet. Ayun. Galing ah.
Piglet and Pooh.
Isa ko.
Side naman. Ano naman si Aaron? Side down. Yan, diyan ka naman. Piglet. Oh, ayun na naman. Ayun dito. Ikaw lang pa eh.
Dapat madaming brown.
Normal brown. Oh, normal brown.
No more bro.
Hingi na kayo sa kanila. Wait lang ha. Wala nang brown eh. You enjoy painting? Haru?
Yup.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
okay ka naman naman.
What?
Okay ba? Huwag na yan doon. Gusto ko lang naman na doon.
Dog naman?
Oh.
Next time.
Oh, Pimsta.
Done?
Yup.
Haru?
Yup.
Okay. Approve. Pakita mo yung painting mo. Pakita mo yung painting mo. Saya painting. Oh, there it is. Nice. Okay. Oh,
Okay.
picture ko kayong dalawa. Nye. Same sila?
Oo,
Mas maganda pa yung kay Haru. Nice, nice ah. Okay na?
Oh, sige.
Okay.